Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Yes. Please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Now my peeps, I'm gonna make some Jamaican June plum and apple juice with ginger and lemon. Alright, and I have some apple here. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna put some of the June plum. It was in the freezer because my husband brought it from Jamaica. He just take it off the seed, or take them off the seed. Alright, you know the juki seed, guys. So he took them off and I freeze them so they can last longer. Alright, so I'm gonna blend it in two sets or two batch. So I'm gonna blend the first one and show you. Put a little bit of ginger, squeeze some lemon juice, and we're gonna pour some water. Alright, and we're gonna blend away. Alright guys, and we're gonna strain this bad boy. Just grab yourself a spoon and you just want to squeeze it out. Alright, and then you're gonna have this. I'm gonna do the rest and then I'm gonna come back. And I'm gonna put like 2 tablespoons of honey. You can put more, you can put some sugar if you want. Alright. I'm gonna sweeten this and then I'm gonna serve up some. So we're gonna pour some in the jars. Put some ice. All right, it's a lot, guys, so let's pour some. Okay. A little bit more. All right guys, I have enough for one more container. There you go. And I will leave the link for these jars from Amazon. And my peeps, that's it. That's the final result. Really simple and nice. You can take it to work, you can take it with you for a walk, you can give your friend one. Put up some for tomorrow. All right my peeps, and this is it. This is my delicious June plum apple juice, homemade with lemon and ginger. All right my peeps, love upon me and I love upon you with a little bit of honey. Bye guys.